So I'm just going to start making tuile. This is another porous texture, and we could use it even in pastries, but I'm going to make this and make it a part of a cake decorating technique. I'm going to show how we could just use it on a cake and also make wedding cake. So it could be another version of a modern wedding cake. So we're just trying to understand using different other techniques and mediums to put it together on a cake. So we have quite a lot of different varieties of wedding cakes or even different other kinds of cakes, but learning a new technique, and that is what we are going to do now. So this is just going to cook on top of an induction stove, and there is saucepan on it. So we're just going to make it like a pancake, just pour, but then this batter is going to be pretty liquidy, and then it's just going to spread, and we're going to have a lot of pores, and that is the texture that we are going to look at. So the ingredients are pretty simple. There's some all-purpose flour, oil and water. Just going to mix all of it together, and some food coloring will go, and I'm going to use ivory, and because that is a color, I'm just trying to combine it together with another technique, which is bubble charts, and then put both together on a cake, and that's why we are making it now here. So let me just start mixing. I just have the all-purpose flour into another bowl. And add the water. Just adding the oil as well. Just want it to get mixed up, but then the lot of oil is what gives the texture, but you want it to be like distributed completely. I'm just going to get the induction stove and then start and have it at medium flame. While the saucepan is heating up, I'm just going to add the color into the batter. I'm just going to add a little more. So once you have, then the batter is going to be as runny as this. Just going to have a ladle to pick the batter. And now once you know the saucepan is quite hot, you just take, say, maybe about half a ladle. Let's just pour to just see. It's just going to spread out. Just wait until the pores just form, and it will cook, and then it will just lift itself out of the pan. I'm going to wait until the whole thing cooks up. It's okay for it to brown a bit. I'm just going to place it on the plate right here. So now before moving on to the next one, I'm just going to pour the excess oil into a bowl. You don't want to have a lot of oil. And then just get a tissue and then wipe it up. So I'm just going to mix it up before pouring. Wait until the bubbles just disappear, the sound of the oil bubbling up, and you know that the flour is cooked by then, after which you could just use to lift it up. Check there's a bit of the uncooked flour on one side. I'm going to wait until the bubbles disappear. So now we have the second one as well. So I'm just going to check the textures, switch off the stove and then show you how the textures are looking. Okay, it's like ready to use once it cools down, but it's okay because we will be placing them as it will suit the cake. We could anyway just get them to the shape we want and the size that will be suitable for the cake. It's okay that it is not just going to be in one piece. I mean, this is pretty warm right now because we just took it out, and that's the texture we're just looking at. It's just a pretty interesting texture to just go on the cake, and I will just catch you up in the lesson where I will show you how to put this on the cake.